God's tattoos.
Welcome back to the channel. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get to it. So today what I'm doing another jewellery review. What I'm reviewing today is a gold horseshoe bar with cones from Vault 101. So this is going to be a new everyday bar because it's nothing fancy, it's pretty simple. It's just a horseshoe bar with cones on the ends instead of balls. So what that does, it just gives it a rather nice pointy appearance. It's a bit different to what you normally see out there because most people just have balls on the end of them. So like I said, I got this from Vault 101. I actually got it from their eBay page, but if you go to their website, they appear to have an offer on where you can get 10% off your first order. I think that's pretty cool because it only costs £1.50. Now that's not a lot of money at all, that's next to nothing really. So today we're just going to have a quick look at it to see what you get for £1.50. So we've swapped over to the top view camera now. If we have a closer look at this one. There, focus. There we go. So we've got a 12mm diameter, it's a 1.6mm thickness, and it's got cones on the end. It is just a gold colour, I don't believe it's gold plated this one, but for £1.50 you can't really expect that. So as we see here, it's got the cones, so if we just unscrew them, take them off, it's just got a regular thread on the inside there. And these cones are threaded on the inside as well. What I must say is that the thread on these is really good. It's a really nice type thread, so they're not going anywhere. Because I've had some in the past where they're just a bit loose and they just fall off, which is no good for that really. And the simplicity of this design is really what sets it apart. Because if I bring in what I've been wearing normally, it's just a plain horseshoe bar with balls on. So as you can tell, that the gold colour is much nicer in my opinion, and I think the cones just really sets it apart. But following up on that, what's nice about this is its simplistic design, because this means I can wear it every day comfortably, and when I have to, like for when I go to work and that, I can just turn it upside down and hide it completely. Because this will still turn around inside the nose, so that's a nice feature there. So all in all, I think for £1.50, including delivery, you can't really go wrong with Vault 101. We just have a little look at the flyer they sent me. So you can get 10% off your first order if you go to their website. You know, I think it's a top quality company, to be honest. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Let's get some pictures of it close up. So what you saw there was my quick review on this septum ring. I think it was pretty good. For £1.50 you can't really go wrong. I definitely recommend checking this out at Vault 101. So yeah, that's all for now really.